Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.5, Problem 19. This is Section 2.5, Problem 19. It says divide the fractions, and we have 5/8 over 10. So the first thing I'm going to do is write it in the form 5/8 divided by 10. And then I'll even go a step further and write 5/8 divided by 10 over 1. I want to write the 10 so that it has a numerator and a denominator. Now it's in a format that I can deal with. So now I can go ahead and do the problem. So the first fraction, which is 5/8 for this problem, will stay. The division will be changed to a multiplication. And the second fraction is inverted or flipped. The 10 goes from the numerator to the denominator, and the 1 comes up from the denominator up to the numerator. I change it to 1 over 10. And now I can multiply top times top, bottom times bottom, and that will work, but I have to reduce the answer afterwards. I'm noticing that I can pre-reduce. The 5 and the 10 reduce nicely. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 10 twice. Now notice I have a 2 and an 8. Those will not pre-reduce. They do reduce nicely, but they're both denominators. I'd have to have 1 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator to pre-reduce. So those will not pre-reduce, even though they divide nicely. So on top, I have 1 times 1 for the numerators, which is 1. And in the denominators, I have 8 times 2, which is 16. And in this form, I can see that it won't reduce. So the answer in its final form is 1 over 16.